Good morning, folks. Out with Casey Boy. Doing a winter thing. I'm surprised the snow is still here. We're in plus temperatures. Sun is out. I think we're sitting probably about plus 2 degrees Celsius. Very nice day. This is our second outing. I bet you that's a mud pit down there. It was all supposed to be paved up, or they were preparing it for paving. And then old man Winter said, nope. I suspect the snow will be gone in this week. We're in the pluses all week. So I don't think it's going to hang. So we're going to go through the neighborhood today. I think. The house is upside down right now because we've started to pull out all our Christmas decorations. So we're getting ready for that. Anybody getting ready for that? This is Casey's. This will be our second Christmas with Casey. Yes, he's 4. He'll be 4 in the new year. That'll be his 4th year. So I'm excited today. I actually may go the back way today. You know, it shouldn't be too bad. Yeah. I think we might take the back way today. Looks like it's been plowed. We'll go over and we'll inspect it. And we'll decide which way to go when we get over there. Yeah, so the house, it's a mess. I destroyed everything. I had to rip the closets apart. Go, hey. Getting the snow zoomies. He loves the snow. Hey, buddy.